Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this engaging lecture in sociolinguistics, where we'll explore multilingualism and heritage language maintenance, vital concepts for understanding how languages survive in diverse societies. We'll draw on examples from Indonesia, focusing on Indonesian as the national language and Javanese varieties in Central Java. I'll reference key scholars like Janet Holmes, Rajend Mestri, and Joshua Fishman to deepen our insights. Let's keep this to about 5 minutes. First, multilingualism refers to the use of multiple languages within a society or by individuals, often involving complex interactions like code switching and domain-specific usage. Janet Holmes, in An Introduction to Sociolinguistics, highlights how multilingualism fosters cultural richness but can lead to inequalities if one language dominates. Rajend Mestri, in Introducing Sociolinguistics, notes that in post-colonial contexts, multilingualism often balances local identities with national unity. In Indonesia, with over 700 languages, multilingualism is the norm. Citizens navigate Indonesian for official purposes alongside regional tongues like Javanese. In Central Java, the heart of Javanese culture, speakers use refined varieties in cities like Yogyakarta and Solo, blending them with Indonesian in daily life. Now, heritage language maintenance involves efforts to preserve ancestral languages passed down through generations, especially in minority or diaspora settings. Joshua Fishman, a leading figure, emphasized in his work on reversing language shift that maintenance relies on intergenerational transmission, community institutions, and cultural pride. Mestri builds on this by discussing how maintenance counters shift in multilingual nations through policy and education. In Indonesia, heritage maintenance is crucial for languages like Javanese, which faces pressure from Indonesian dominance. In Central Java, families maintain Javanese through home use and cultural practices such as wayang performances, despite youth shifting to Indonesian for education and media. For instance, intergenerational communication in Solo often employs krama, polite Javanese, to reinforce ethnic identity. Multilingualism and heritage maintenance intersect when dominant languages threaten minorities, leading to shift or revitalization. Fishman's framework suggests stages like community schooling to reverse shift, applicable to Javanese programs in Central Java schools. Holmes warns of identity loss without maintenance, while Mestri points to successful policies in diverse societies. In virtual spaces, like among Javanese coaches, online communities aid maintenance. In conclusion, multilingualism enriches Indonesia, but heritage maintenance is key to preserving Javanese in Central Java. As Holmes, Mestri, and Fishman show, proactive efforts ensure linguistic diversity thrives. Reflect on your languages. How do you maintain them? Thanks for listening.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.